Good morning students. I am Akanksha, your computer teacher. Today we will do the exercises of chapter 6, stepwise thinking. So let's start. First of all, you have to do words to remember in your notebook and you have to learn it also. First is stepwise thinking. Stepwise thinking helps in converting complex tasks into simple steps. Second is reasoning. Reasoning is a stepwise thinking with a purpose or goal in mind. Third one is problem solving. Problem solving is a skill that helps in solving a problem. So this is all about words to remember. Our next exercise is answer the following questions. And the first question is, what is stepwise thinking? Answer is stepwise thinking helps in finding all the possible solutions to achieve the goal. I'm repeating again. Stepwise thinking helps in finding all the possible solutions to achieve the goal. Second question is, what is reasoning? So reasoning is a stepwise thinking with a purpose or goal in mind. Reasoning is a stepwise thinking with a purpose or goal in mind. Our next question is, what do you mean by problem solving? What do you mean by problem solving? Our answer is problem solving is a skill that helps in solving a problem. Problem solving is a skill that helps in solving a problem. Our next exercise is fill in the blanks. First one is, complicated tasks are converted into simple steps by stepwise thinking. Complicated tasks are converted into simple steps by stepwise thinking. Next fill up is, reasoning is a logical form of thinking. Reasoning is a logical form of thinking. Our next fill up is, it is necessary to plan step by step to perform each step of activity. It is necessary to plan step by step to perform each step of activity. Last fill up is, problem solving is a skill as well as a process. Problem solving is a skill as well as a process. Next exercise is multiple choice questions. So the first question is, the first step in writing your exam paper would be to, and the options are Write the answer to the first question. Second option is write the answer to the first question that you can solve. Third option is read the entire question paper carefully. Next option is cross out questions that you can't answer. So the right answer is read the entire question paper carefully. Second question is reasoning is related to option number 1 logic, option 2 imagination, option 3 language, and option D sports. So the right answer is logic. Reasoning is related to logic. Third question is the correct process of problem solving involves this order of steps. First one, think, plan, analyze. Second option, analyze, plan, and then think. Third option, think, analyze, and plan. And the last option is first you plan, then think, and then analyze. So the right answer is first you think, then analyze, and then plan. Fourth question is the main step in the task of reaching your school on bicycle would be to option A wipe it clean, option B check its brakes and chain, option C sit on its seat, option D ride it to school. So the main step is check its brake and chain. Our fifth question is this would not be a step in planning a picnic. Option 1 deciding the picnic spot, option B selecting convince, option C selecting the kind of watch to wear, and option D deciding schedule. So this which would not be the step, main step, selecting the kind of watch to wear.